In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail quickly and easily. If you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want to make sure your inbox is signed out properly, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. It only takes a few seconds, but it's important to know, especially if you use Gmail on a public or family device. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. You'll know you're in the right place when your inbox appears on the screen. Now look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture or your account icon there. This little profile icon is the key to managing your Google account options, including signing out. Click on your profile picture once. A small menu will appear with your account details and several options. From this menu, look for the sign out button. Click sign out and Gmail will log you out of the account immediately. You'll be taken back to the sign-in screen, which confirms that the logout was successful. And that's it. You've now logged out of Gmail in just a few simple steps. If you are using a shared device, this is a good habit to keep your email secure. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.